Hi, are you looking after the instrumentation and maintenance or purchase cement, power, metal and mineral plants where maybe Alstom Pulse valves are used? Are you struggling for availability and the cost of spares for OptiFlow? Are you looking for ways to meet your cost reduction and MTBF targets? If yes, then the next 5 minutes will be the most crucial for you. Do you know every day you might be losing 24,000 rupees minimum because of delay in upgrade? Yes, this is Nirav Shah, Director of Rotex Automation Limited, a 55-year-old company which has manufactured and supplied till date over 400,000 pulse valves to over 1,200 customers across the globe. And now we have come up with our patented double piston pulse valve design, which has helped our customer save over 20 crore, and we can help you too. Do you know a typical plant having an OptiFlow installed, let's say 200 numbers, spends on an average 40 lakhs to 60 lakh rupees every year more on the air consumption. And for this 200 valves, they spend on average 2 lakhs per year more on the spares. And for the additional breakdowns which happens because of such valves cost the company anywhere between 10,000 to 10 lakh every year. You might be thinking, is there a solution which can solve this? As this can help you to achieve your cost reduction targets and as well as improve the MTBF and thus uptime of your plant. Rotex has come up with a patented 3-inch piston valve design, which is 1-to-1 replacement to OptiFlow. Yes, you can just remove OptiFlow and install Rotex with no change required at all. And over and above that, it reduces the air consumption by 37%, which is in fact results into a saving of around 20,000 rupees per pulse valve every year, which means 87% of ROI. And mind you, this calculation is based on just 5 rupees per unit of electricity cost, and saving will be much more if the electricity cost is higher. So one can free up also the compressor capacity and thus substantially recover the cost of compressor additionally. Apart from this, due to our diaphragm-less and bleed hole-less design, the valve uptime improves dramatically, assuring you an almost 3 times higher uptime compared to a diaphragm-based design. And almost 4 times life of pistons over diaphragm provides approximate saving of 875 rupees every year per valve. What to speak of savings due to the higher uptime. Also, Rotex provides solenoid of 8 watts, which consumes 57% lower power, resulting in to a longer solenoid life and power savings. Most importantly, you do not have to change anything while replacing Alstom OptiFlow 105 valves with Rotex. And with availability concerns with Alstom valves, Rotex solution can assure higher uptime and serviceability for your applications for all time. Please find beside the customer list who have already implemented our solution and start getting advantage. Let's see some of the testimony of our clients. Taste of pudding is in eating. So why not get a trial done at your premise and see for yourself? So why to wait? Please call on this number or put an email on this place and you will be contacted shortly for further proceedings. Thank you.